Westermans International here, just with a quick film clip of an order which is destined to go out. Well, actually 2 orders. One customer's ordered 4 spot welders and the balance for the rest. These are fitted with standard poke guns and micro gun. You can also get the roller attachment, which can be fitted to the standard gun if needed. Voltage for these is 220, 240, but we also do a voltage of 110 volts, 60 Hertz, which is suitable for the US. These are also 50, 60 Hertz, which can be used in the US on 220 volts, or we also offer 400 volts. All come with the PX 1700 controls. Majority are sold with the 1700, but you do get the basic one, which I believe is the S1 or S2 control. Very nice and popular units, especially for doing exhausts, heat shields. I believe some of these might be going for heat shields, aerospace. So many different areas that these are being used for now. A very popular unit, and do not break the bank when purchasing new. Thank you for looking.